Level up your university life with the best of student living at Identity Logan Park in the vibrant city of Berkeley. Choose from a wide range of charming studios and 1 to 3 bedroom apartments with cozy shared bathrooms and bedrooms featuring a warm bed, a handy dishwasher, in-unit laundry, and a TV for blockbuster nights at home. Fuel up at the breakfast bar or sweat it out in the on-site gym. Hustle hard in community workspaces with warp speed Wi-Fi and a coffee bar boost. Later, unwind in the game zone, stroll through the rooftop pet park, or stargaze by the courtyard fire pits. With secure parking for your wheels, plus mail and package storage, life here couldn't be easier. Also, you're just a short stroll from Berkeley City College and the University of California, making your timely arrival to class effortless. Hop on a bus from Hayes Street and Milvia Street, or ride the downtown Berkeley subway for smooth, speedy transit across the city. So don't miss out. Claim your spot at Identity Logan Park in Berkeley via amberstudent.com today.